One of the most important things you're going to have to do as an online learner is to organize your week. So in advisory, what we're going to be doing every Monday is filling out this schedule. You'll open the Google Doc. You'll then go to your classes. So you'll open up your Google classes that look like this. And what you'll need to do is kind of toggle back and forth between this browser page and this browser page, right? So first we'll go to advisory and you'll click on classwork and you're going to look and see what assignments you have to do this week. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to week 1, message, read me first. I always want to read any messages that the teachers leave behind because that tells me kind of what we're going to be doing that day. Then I'm going to go to assignment 1, scheduling your time. Well, obviously that's this assignment, right? So I'm going to read the assignment. It says use this Google form to schedule your week. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back, and I know in advisory I'm going to have to fill out weekly schedule. So that's one assignment that I need to do. The next thing I'm going to look at is assignment number 2, Edpuzzle discussion board. Okay, so when I click on that, it says watch the video, make sure to answer the questions throughout the video, and watch the entire video. If Edpuzzle asks you to log in, use your school email address. And it says that it's due on April 8th. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to type in, let's see, April 8th would be the Wednesday, but you never want to start an assignment the day it's due. You always want to start it at least the day before. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put that on Tuesday. I'm going to do watch video on Edpuzzle. And it also said watch the video on Edpuzzle. Okay, so that's all I need for that one. I'm going to go back then and see what other assignments are there. Oh, a welcome discussion. Okay, this one says it's due April 7th. So let's read the instructions. Assignment number 3, welcome discussion. Let's see, by Tuesday, I have to write a post in which I discuss what the last 3 weeks have been like for me and my family. What has changed? Include a picture or image that represents your spring break. Make sure to follow the guidelines for participating in an online discussion. And then by Friday, I have to respond to 3 other students. So let's see, by Tuesday, I never want to start an assignment the day it's due. So I'm actually going to start this assignment on Monday. So that's today. So I'm going to say start online discussion. So that's that. And then I have to, it says by Friday, respond to 3 other students. So what I'm going to do is, remember, I never want to start an assignment on the due date, is I'm going to actually start my online discussion today on Monday. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to set myself up to check discussion and respond to 2 other people. That way, hopefully by Wednesday, everybody's done the first posting. I can respond to 3 people. They can respond to me. And then I'm just going to put a note on here, check discussion and respond. Check discussion and respond. So let's see if I have anything else for advisory. Nope, nothing else for advisory. So you're going to do that for each one of your classes. So go to the class, go to the class work, and read through your assignments for that week and then schedule them out for yourself. That's a great way to make sure that you, A, know what assignments you have to do, and B, know when you're going to do them. It's also a great tool to have if your parents are on your case and they want to know why you're not doing anything or what homework you have to do. You can just print this out and show it to them and cross things off as you complete them. Make sure to reach out to your advisor if you have any questions.